Hey guys, let me put you... Ugh. You're not going to be able to see me, but I'm getting ready really quick because I do have a client. Excuse the area that I'm in. I know that it looks crazy. I'm in the basement. I have recently set up my YouTube setup back here so that I can start filming like beauty videos. Don't know if that will ever happen because it doesn't seem like you guys like them, to be honest. And beauty videos take so long to film and edit, but I honestly do it just for fun, so I'm going to do it eventually. I just don't know exactly when. Right now it is finally my weekend. That is why you have not seen me on here for a long time, because I am just so busy with my other job. I look busted too. But I figured I would take on a nail client today. I do feel that I love doing nails, and I do feel that I'm good at it, but I don't have that like 100% confidence to bust out nail sets all day, so I don't usually take nail clients. Today I'm taking one, so I'm proud of myself, stepping outside of the lash box, and I'm gonna be doing a set of nails. I think we're doing white and clear marble and like some rhinestones or something, so that should be a challenge. But I'm just filling in my brows because lately with COVID and everything, I have not been doing my makeup. Not just with the COVID thing, it's just that at work we wear, you know, the mask, and I just have not put a lot of effort, and I've been trying to lose weight, so I'm busy with that. And makeup has been falling to the side, clearly, and my hair. But anyway, I decided to vlog today just a little bit maybe. I don't even know if this will go up. But after that nail client, I plan on going to the gym. That's why I kind of dressed up. I feel like if I'm dressed and ready to go, I'm more than likely to stop at the gym because the gym is on the way home. So that's the plan. And I'm in my disgusting basement. I know. I'm sorry. I'm sorry you have to see this side of me. But this is what it is. In our house now, we don't have room for my YouTube setup, so she's in the basement. She's in her woman she cave. Yeah, I gotta go because I gotta clean up my nail desk. Yeah, she's dirty, and I gotta go get everything ready. My phone's dead. The battery's dead, so I'm gonna grab my water. I bought a few things that I need to take to the salon. I also, what else was I just thinking right now? Yeah, I bought some scissors that are somewhere in my room. And I also need to grab my water, and I need to take my vitamins. That's what I was going to do. So I will check back with you guys here shortly. But then a girl showed up, and it was my client, and I do that a lot, guys, where I forget that I have a client. Ugh, it's so bad. I like just forget to put them in my system, so then I ended up having to just like tell my other client, my nail client, to come a little bit later, and she should be coming soon. And yeah, so I'm gonna be here later. But this is what I'm wearing because I got ready to go to the gym, so we'll do a little OOTD. I need to go shopping for workout clothes. That's nothing. This shirt I have had for at least I don't know, more than like 6 years. I know, crazy. And all it says is run, run, run. And then I have a black pink little hoodie. Not a hoodie, a sweater, jacket, zip up, whatever. Then I just have my Amazon leggings. I love these. I own like, I think 4 or 5 pairs already. And then I have the, what are these? Under Armour green lime shoes, and I kind of match. I didn't even do that on purpose, but I'm just gonna wash my hands, go pee really fast, and get ready for my next client. So y'all can watch me pee if you like. I'm just kidding. We have music going. I need to hurry up and get my area ready. This is my nail desk, and I have everything everywhere, so give me a second. Okay, I am ready. I have my nail duster right here. I always put out a fresh brush, a fresh pair of clippers, a cuticle pusher, what is that called? A file. And then I have my, I put a brand new little, what's it called? A little file on here. And I have my nail lamp, and then I have my light, of course. Come on. And then I just have my things over here. Gotta make sure. This is the glue that I use to glue the tips. It's bling adhesive. And then I use this as a top coat. My dehydrator, my primer, my oil. Alright, so that is it. I'm done getting ready. Yeah, so I'm just gonna do her nails, and I will show you guys at the end. She's a new client, so I don't want to show you the process, like me doing her nails or whatever, so that sucks. But maybe one day I'll get somebody that is willing to be filmed. I don't have the lights on, but I can show you guys. This is usually my setup here. I have my glasses to see, because if not I am blind. Then I have this little jar of things. I got this fridge for Christmas. It's really cool. I do need to buy me some little Pepsi Zeros or something to put in there. Really cute. Or skincare, I'm not too sure. I have my tweezers. Oh shoot, I have to turn these off. But yeah, I have a mess in this drawer, so I'm not gonna show you. But if you want a more detailed look, let me know. I just have all my things that I use here. I close all of this up once I'm done, just to protect it from any dust or anything. And yeah, I have like my tape in the corner, nano mister, all that good stuff, some wipes, and my wax machine, and that is it. This is my little fan. I always try to make sure to plug it in so that I have it ready for the next client. But yeah, I should be good to go. Charging. I need to figure out how to connect my Bluetooth for you over here really quick. Okay, power. I'm so not up with technology.
It's out the door.
I usually don't vlog a lot. I do, like, I got inspired to vlog more after Vlogmas. I saw everybody vlogging and just having so much fun with it. And my life is boring, but I do things, you know. I do have 2 jobs, I have a family, so I could vlog about that if you guys are interested in seeing more about, I don't know, just more about me, let me know in the comments below so that I can start vlogging. Yeah, it could be like I don't know, maybe I can just start daily vlogging. Let me know if you're interested in that. So just because of the fact that I work 12-hour shifts at my other job, but it could be okay, maybe once a week or something. So I'll talk to you guys in a little bit. Okay guys, so I will see you guys later. I don't know what I'm gonna be doing. I feel like making a cauliflower, chicken and feta cheese, spinach type of pizza tonight to eat after gym. But my day's kind of been long. It's already 3:12. She's barely gonna come over, so it should probably be 3:30. I won't be done for like 2 hours. Then I still have to go to the gym, so we will see how my day goes. But yeah, I'll talk to you guys in a little bit. If I don't see you anymore, then this is the end of the vlog. And I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye. Alright guys, like I figured, I didn't get back on to film. I did the nail set. Let me show you really quick. I think it came out really good for me not doing nails in a very long time. I think it came out really good. I'm glad. So if you guys can see, that is the nail set that I did. It's very marble with gold flakes, nude, and it had some Swarovski crystals. I can't say that word. It had crystals, and she really loved them, so I'm super happy. Alright, well anyway, I finished the nail set and I think it came out really pretty, thank God. She really loved them, and now I'm here at the gym. I just got here, and so I'm gonna go ahead and get off and go work out for like a good hour and a half. So I just got out of the gym and I look a little busted, but that's okay. So my husband, he's so sweet, and he cooked me some, do I still have my Pandora on? He cooked me some food because all I had today was breakfast. I'm feeling real like, I had breakfast today, and last night I drank some margaritas. They were gonna be sugar-free, but we were drinking with a few friends, like a couple friends, and we just had a good time, you know? So I just feel really like puffy, you know, like swollen. But I just did like an hour and a half at the gym, so I feel better about it. It's only day 2, and yeah, I've only been coming for 2 days. If I haven't talked to you guys about it, I've been doing keto. I wonder if I can drive and talk. Doing keto since October 28th. I remember October 28th because like my mom suffered with really bad diabetes. Sorry, I'm just trying to make sure I'm driving right. My mom suffered with diabetes and she passed away from it, and like I just don't want to, I mean, I know I'm really prone to getting it, but I want to like take precautions and I want to like try to be better, you know? I've been doing keto. I have been doing keto since October 28th. Today's December 26th. And so far I have lost a lot of weight. I mean, obviously not a ton, but I've lost a good amount of weight. So now this is day 2 of the gym. Yesterday I went over and I signed up. The day after Christmas I signed up so that I can try to go every day. I know it's unrealistic because I have a 12-hour job, and then I have a 12-hour shift, and then I have another job, and then I have kids and family and whatever, you know? But if I can go, then I'm gonna push myself to really go. This is day 2. I'm off for 3 days, so I figured that I would just go ahead and go. But yeah, I've been doing keto, and my husband has prepared dinner for me because, like I was saying before, I woke up, ate breakfast, keto, and then I went to bed some more because I work overnight, so I slept as much as I could. Then I got up and I had a client. I had a lash client, and then I had a nail client, which you guys saw in the last clips. Sorry you can't see me. And then after that I just haven't eaten all day. I've been eating breakfast, and then I'll eat, usually I won't eat again unless I'm working, then I'll have dinner at work. But he has cooked me dinner because it's already, what time is it? It is already 8:28. He's texting me, probably telling me that my food's getting cold. 8:28, and I have not eaten all day, which is bad. I've drank water, but I'm gonna eat again so I can, now that I'm working out. I lost the weight without working out, so now that I'm actually losing weight and I'm seeing it come off, I'm gonna try incorporating workouts. And so yeah, hopefully you guys are yeah, it's the one thing that I have not cheated. I want to know more about it's not a diet, it is a life change, because I would have already cheated on my diet. If you want to know more about it, let me know. Let's go inside and see what my husband has. Hello?
Hello again.
I told them you prepared dinner for me.
Don't talk.
Well, don't eat that cheese, it's bad for you, but that is my splurge. So I'm going to eat it. Goodbye.
I'll make them to you guys. I'll give you the content at her house. Let that one down. Hello. Sorry. Hello. There's no full, but actually worked in the office today, and